Have your legs been cramping at night? Do they feel weak, shaky, or just different after 60? You're not alone. Millions of people over 60 struggle with leg cramps, sudden muscle tightness, or the frustrating feeling of weak legs, even if they're trying to eat well and stay active. Most people assume it's just aging. We're getting older, so of course our legs slow down. But here's the truth. It's not just about age. It's about what your body might be missing. There's one mineral, often overlooked, that plays a critical role in your leg strength, muscle control, and even how well you sleep. And chances are, you're not getting enough of it. That mineral is magnesium. Now don't click away just yet. This isn't some miracle cure, and we're not here to sell supplements. We're here to show you exactly how a simple magnesium deficiency could be behind your leg cramps, poor balance, or muscle weakness, and how the right approach to nutrition for seniors could restore the strength you thought was gone forever. Did you know that over 70% of adults over 60 don't meet the recommended magnesium intake? And that number goes even higher after age 70? That could explain cramps in your calves at 2 a.m., needing to sit down after short walks, feeling less confident in your senior mobility, or just waking up tired because your legs never truly relax. But the good news is, just one small change in your daily habits could help. In this video, we'll reveal why magnesium is essential for elderly leg health, how to know if you're low, and the safest ways to get more of it naturally. Are you ready to discover how magnesium could change everything? Let's get started. What do early signs of magnesium deficiency actually feel like, especially for seniors over 60? It often begins subtly. You might wake up at 2 a.m. with a sudden tightness in your calf, a sharp cramp that fades quickly, but leaves you sore and uneasy. Or maybe after walking around the house, your legs start to feel heavy, almost like they're resisting each step. You brush it off. Maybe I didn't sleep well, or I'm just tired. But these small signals are often the first signs of trouble. And many seniors don't realize that these discomforts could be the early stages of a magnesium deficiency. You may not feel constant pain. In fact, many seniors describe the symptoms as strange sensations. A dull ache in the thighs, twitching in the calves, a tingling feeling before bed, or legs that just don't feel as responsive or steady as they used to. For too long, these experiences have been dismissed as normal parts of getting older. We hear it all the time. Your legs just get weaker after 60. That's just aging, nothing you can do. Nighttime cramps? Everyone over 70 gets them. But just because something is common doesn't mean it's normal. In reality, these issues often signal poor circulation, weakened nerve response, and low mineral reserves, all directly connected to magnesium levels. If you're experiencing nighttime leg cramps that wake you from sleep, muscle stiffness in the morning, legs that feel shaky when you stand, difficulty walking longer distances, or even unexplained fatigue in your lower body, it's time to ask, could my body be missing something critical? The frustrating part is that symptoms may come and go. You might feel strong one day, then struggle to get out of a chair the next. That inconsistency causes many older adults to wait too long, assuming it's just part of aging. But your legs are trying to tell you something. And the solution may not be medication, surgery, or more rest. It may be as simple as restoring your magnesium levels through proper nutrition for seniors. In the next section, we'll break down exactly what magnesium does in your body and why it's one of the most overlooked vitamins for elderly legs today. Magnesium might be the single most underrated mineral in senior health, and yet it's one of the most important for keeping your legs strong, balanced, and free from pain. If you're over 60 and dealing with nighttime cramps, weak legs, or poor circulation, this one nutrient could be the missing link. After 60, our bodies go through several natural changes. Muscle mass declines, nerve signals slow down, circulation weakens, and even if you eat healthy, your ability to absorb nutrients decreases, especially magnesium. That's why so many older adults, even those with good diets, end up unknowingly magnesium deficient. So why does this matter? Because magnesium supports some of the most essential systems that keep your legs functioning well. It helps regulate how your muscles contract and relax. Without enough magnesium, muscles can spasm or stay partially contracted, leading to cramps, stiffness, or a strange tight feeling in your legs, especially at night. These aren't just annoying. They can disrupt sleep, affect balance, and chip away at your independence over time. Magnesium also supports nerve health. Every time your brain tells your legs to move, a signal travels down through your nerves. That signal requires a proper balance of minerals to stay strong and steady, and magnesium is at the center of it. When levels drop, signals slow. You might feel delayed reflexes, leg shakiness, or even strange tingling sensations. Many seniors describe it as feeling like their legs are out of sync with the rest of their body. And then there's circulation. Magnesium helps blood vessels relax, allowing better blood flow to the legs. Poor circulation doesn't just cause cold feet, it's a major contributor to fatigue, poor recovery, and overall leg weakness in elderly adults. If your legs feel heavy or tired quickly, low magnesium may be a hidden factor. All of this makes magnesium a key part of healthy aging and over 60 nutrition. It's not just about avoiding leg cramps in seniors. It's about improving leg strength, restoring mobility, and preserving your ability to live independently. Unfortunately, most seniors aren't getting enough. It's easy to miss. The symptoms are subtle at first, but over time, the impact becomes real, especially if you've accepted those symptoms as just getting older. Magnesium is more than a supplement. It's a natural solution to support your legs, your movement, and your confidence after 60. In the next section, we'll explore how to know if you're low and the early warning signs your body may already be giving you. Not all deficiencies announce themselves loudly. Sometimes your body speaks in whispers, especially when it comes to magnesium. If you're over 60, you may already be experiencing the effects of magnesium deficiency, even if you've never been officially diagnosed. That's because this condition often hides in plain sight. Most people don't realize their symptoms are connected, and doctors rarely test for it, since magnesium levels in the blood don't always reflect the deeper story inside your muscles and nerves. So how does your body really tell you it needs more? One of the most common signs is frequent leg cramps in seniors, especially at night. These sharp, sudden spasms in your calves or feet can jolt you awake or make it hard to fall asleep again. While occasional cramps can happen to anyone, when they become regular, it's a red flag. It means your muscles are struggling to contract and relax properly. Something magnesium helps regulate, but it doesn't stop at cramps. Many seniors report a lingering heaviness in the legs, like walking through water. You may notice your legs tire quickly, even during simple tasks like standing at the stove or walking across a parking lot. This can be a direct result of low magnesium interfering with muscle energy production. Some people also feel unstable, like they're not quite in sync with their body. You might feel unsteady getting out of bed or need to pause before climbing stairs. That subtle lack of coordination is often caused by disrupted nerve signals, and magnesium plays a major role in supporting those signals. Another clue, poor recovery. If your legs feel sore or inflamed for longer than usual after exercise or standing, it might not be age. It could be magnesium's role in inflammation and muscle repair being compromised. Unfortunately, many seniors chalk these signs up to just getting older. But aging doesn't have to mean declining. It means adjusting. And one of the smartest adjustments is taking a closer look at your nutrition, especially your intake of key minerals like magnesium. Your body knows when something is missing. It sends you signals: fatigue, tension, imbalance, cramping. If you're noticing them, now is the time to respond. Because the sooner you restore what's missing, the sooner you reclaim your strength, confidence, and senior mobility. Coming up next, we'll uncover the best natural food sources of magnesium and how to make them a part of your daily nutrition plan after 60. So you've learned why magnesium matters. You've felt the signs. You've heard your body speak. Now it's time to give your legs what they've been asking for, starting with what's on your plate. The best way to restore magnesium isn't a bottle. It's food. Real, whole, natural food, rich in the nutrients your muscles, nerves, and blood vessels depend on every day. Let's start simple. Leafy green vegetables, like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are among the top natural sources of magnesium. They're also rich in vitamin K, iron, and antioxidants that support circulation and joint health. For seniors, just 1 cup of cooked greens a day can help ease leg cramps, reduce inflammation, and support healthy aging from the inside out. Next, nuts and seeds. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. These aren't just snacks. They're mineral powerhouses. A small handful provides a meaningful dose of magnesium, along with healthy fats and protein that keep your legs moving and your heart steady. Then we have whole grains. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are all foods rich in magnesium, but they also help with digestion, energy, and blood sugar control. 3 things that tend to shift after 60, and don't overlook legumes. Black beans, lentils, chickpeas. These are simple, affordable, and packed with fiber, protein, and minerals. Adding them to soups, stews, or salads is an easy way to boost your magnesium levels and your strength. Now let's talk fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. Not only are these great sources of omega-3s, but they also deliver magnesium in a highly absorbable form. For many older adults, eating fish 2 to 3 times a week can improve muscle recovery, reduce cramps, and support senior mobility without the need for extra supplements. The truth is, magnesium for seniors isn't complicated. It's consistent. The more you include these foods, even in small portions, the more your legs, nerves, and energy levels respond. If you've been searching for a natural solution for leg cramps in seniors, this is it. Magnesium-rich foods aren't just gentle on the body. They're powerful over time, and they're part of the best approach to over 60 nutrition, simple, natural, and daily. Sometimes food alone isn't enough. Even with the best diet, many seniors still fall short of their daily magnesium needs. Not because they're eating wrong, but because their bodies simply don't absorb as efficiently as they once did. That's where supplements come in. For many people over 60, a magnesium supplement for seniors can be a safe, effective way to support leg strength, nerve health, and recovery. But before you buy the first bottle you see, there are a few important things to know. Not all magnesium supplements are the same. Some are absorbed well. Others, not so much. Choosing the right form can make all the difference. Let's start with the 2 most common: magnesium citrate and magnesium oxide. Citrate is highly absorbable. It's often recommended for seniors because it's gentle on the stomach and more likely to raise your body's magnesium levels effectively. If your goal is to reduce leg cramps, ease muscle tightness, and support daily mobility, magnesium citrate may be your best choice. Oxide, on the other hand, is cheaper and more widely available, but it's poorly absorbed. Most of it passes through your system without being used. Some people also experience bloating or digestive discomfort with this form. Then there are other options like magnesium glycinate, known for being calming and helpful for sleep, or magnesium malate, which supports energy. Each type has unique benefits, and for seniors, absorption matters more than quantity. Now, what about dosage? The safe dosage of magnesium for people over 60 typically ranges from 250 to 350 milligrams per day from supplements, especially if your diet already includes magnesium-rich foods. Taking too much can cause loose stools or digestive upset, so always start low and increase only if needed. And remember, magnesium can interact with certain medications, including diuretics, heart drugs, and antibiotics. So before starting any supplement, it's smart to speak with your doctor or pharmacist. Bottom line, if you're eating well but still dealing with leg cramps, weak legs, or restless sleep, a magnesium supplement might help fill the gap. But the key is choosing the right type and taking it the right way. Next, we'll show you how to build a daily magnesium plan that combines both food and supplements, so your legs stay strong, steady, and ready to move. Now that you know which foods to eat and when supplements might help, let's put it all together. For seniors over 60, the goal isn't to overload your body with one big dose of magnesium. It's to create a steady daily rhythm, one that's easy to follow and easy to maintain. Let's start in the morning. Breakfast is the perfect time to begin your magnesium daily plan. Try a bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced bananas, chia seeds, or a spoonful of almond butter. These foods are rich in magnesium, fiber, and healthy fats, a combination that supports energy, digestion, and blood flow throughout the day. If you take a magnesium supplement, this is often the best time. Taking it with food can improve absorption and reduce any risk of stomach upset. Just make sure to avoid taking it alongside calcium or iron supplements, as they can compete for absorption. Lunch is another opportunity to boost your levels naturally. A spinach salad with grilled salmon, quinoa, and pumpkin seeds delivers a magnesium-rich punch, while also supporting muscle strength, circulation, and senior health overall. Throughout the day, make sure to hydrate. Water helps magnesium transport through the body. And for some seniors, magnesium for leg strength works best when supported by good hydration and movement, even light walking or stretching. Dinner is a good time for calming, magnesium-rich foods. Steamed greens like kale or Swiss chard, sweet potatoes, and lentils. These not only support muscle repair overnight, but can also promote better sleep, especially when magnesium is combined with magnesium glycinate or citrate in the evening. The key is consistency. A little bit in every meal, a supplement only when needed, and being mindful of how your body responds. If you wake up with leg cramps, try adjusting your timing. If you feel tired or restless before bed, consider shifting your magnesium to the evening. There's no single perfect plan, just the one that works for your body. Over time, your muscles, nerves, and legs will thank you, and so will your energy, your balance, and your confidence. Coming up next, we'll recap the essentials, so you can build your own magnesium plan, step by step, for strength that lasts. If your legs have been trying to tell you something, through cramps, weakness, or imbalance, this might be the moment to finally listen, because the solution isn't complicated. It doesn't require expensive treatment, and it doesn't take months to feel better. It starts with magnesium. You've learned what it does for your muscles, your nerves, your blood flow, and your balance. You've seen how magnesium deficiency hides in plain sight, especially in seniors over 60. You've discovered the best foods, the right supplements, and how to build a routine that works for your body, not against it. This isn't just about avoiding cramps. It's about reclaiming strength, rebuilding confidence, and taking back control of your movement step by step. Because when your legs feel strong, you move more. When you move more, your circulation improves. When circulation improves, energy rises. And when energy rises, life feels fuller, no matter your age. That's what healthy aging looks like. Not perfect, not easy, but empowered. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet. You don't need a shelf full of pills. You just need a few simple choices, made consistently, day by day. So take what you've learned today and make it yours. Build your own plan. Choose your meals with purpose. Listen to your body. And don't wait until symptoms get worse. Start now and start small. Your future legs will thank you, because strength doesn't fade overnight. It fades slowly, quietly, when we stop giving our bodies what they need. But the good news, it also comes back. One smart meal, one supplement, one stretch, one step at a time. Magnesium won't fix everything, but it's a powerful first step, a natural one, a proven one, and one that starts with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more, and leave a comment to let us know what helped you most. And if you know someone over 60 who could use this information, feel free to share it with them too. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Take care of your legs, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video, right here on Senior Health 60+.